In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for your shop on Etsy and copy its URL efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, knowing how to quickly access your shop's direct link is a handy skill that can make managing your online presence much smoother. First, let's get started with opening the Etsy website. When you land on the home page, you'll notice the search bar prominently located at the top of the page. This is your gateway to locating your shop within Etsy's expansive platform. In this search bar, you'll want to type in the exact name of your shop. Be as precise as possible to ensure that your shop appears at the top of the search results. This might seem straightforward, but remember, Etsy's search is very literal, so double check your spelling and ensure you're typing the name exactly as it appears. Once you've entered your shop name, hit enter or click on the search icon. Now, let's delve into how to recognize your shop in the search results. The results are typically shown with a list of shops, and your shop should appear among them. Look out for your shop's logo or the preview images that accompany it. These visual cues can help you quickly identify your shop amidst other similar names, especially if you're selling in a popular category. After you've spotted your shop, click on it to open your shop page. This will direct you straight to your shop's main page where all your listings and shop details are displayed. It's always a good practice to view your shop from a customer's perspective. This not only ensures everything looks right, but can also spotlight any adjustments you may want to make to improve your shop's aesthetics or functionality. Moving on, now comes the easy but crucial part, copying your shop's URL. You'll want to move your attention to the top of your browser where the address bar is located. This bar, filled with the text starting with HTTPS holds the key to your online storefront. Simply click in the address bar to highlight the entire URL, then right-click and select Copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, to copy it quickly. Having this URL copied is incredibly useful. It's the link you'll share with potential customers or promote on social media. It's your shop's direct pathway, making it effortless for others to find you among Etsy's bustling marketplace. So, paste it somewhere safe, maybe in a document or a note on your device, for easy access whenever you need it, and there you have it. Finding and copying your Etsy shop link is simple and quick, setting the stage for easier navigation and sharing. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling on Etsy.